Alright, what is everybody? It's your boy Sammy with them, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I was getting ready to do a video and I came out here, I'm doing my thing, I'm trying to find my next reaction I wanted to do, and I heard that sound again. The same sound. So I figured I'm gonna go look for the sound and you guys will come with me. Alright, I think I heard it up in the attic, I'm not for sure. So we're gonna go check out the attic, you know what I'm saying? So let's go. Let's get it. Alright, let's go. Okay. Yeah, my garage is kind of a mess. I'm nervous. I don't know what I'm gonna find. Turn this light on. That's to the attic. I got my basil, my jalapeno growing in there. Trying to learn how to grow some stuff inside. So in wintertime, I can grow some stuff. My garage is kind of a mess. We have kids and all that good fun stuff. A big family. You accumulate too much stuff. Alright, and trash. Alright, here we go. You know, I had some viewers tell me it was a raccoon. Could have been a raccoon. So we're gonna look for some shining eyes. Let's see if we find a raccoon. There's a lot of stuff right here. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff. Christmas, Halloween. It just gets thrown up here and clear it out for the holidays, you know, or whatever holiday it is. Okay, I'm not seeing nothing, but I heard it. And it was same as it was, loud and clear. And it's so weird. I don't know what the heck it is now. I don't know. Never been down there. This is as far as I've gone in this attic, because as you can see, it's kind of tight. But looks like I gotta maybe shimmy my way. Look at this. I gotta step on this. Oh no. Please don't fall. Please don't break while I'm doing this. Whew. Here we go. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at this. If I fall, yeah, that's not gonna be good. Alright. One hand. Oh god, foot's on the wire. Oh my god, these wires. Who did all this? Look at this. Look at that. Wires just everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, watch out for your nail. Look at that bad boy. That's a nail. Right on through. Ow! Ow! Just got myself a nail. Okay. Wires everywhere. Trying not to kill electricity in my house. At the same time as trying to explore. Parkour. Find me a dang raccoon or something. Oh, wow, okay. Whew, that was challenging. Alright, so looks like I can actually stand up. So, hold on, let me stand up. Let's stand up, hold on. Okay. Alright, ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay. Whoa, what was that? What the? Ah!